The circle x squared plus y squared is 25, has tangents at the point A and B. The point A has coordinates 0, 5, so let me just mark that on straight away. And the point B has coordinates 3, minus 4. The tangents meet at the point P. Work out the coordinates of point P. So the first thing I can see is these two tangents meet at point P, which means if I draw the line down here, now the point where the tangent meets the radius, we know that those are right angles. So I know that those two lines, this line and this line, they're perpendicular to each other. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the gradient of the radius. So I've drawn a right angled triangle here. Remember to find the gradient. It's for how many across. For one across, how many up. So here, to get from my centre to the point 3 minus 4, the gradient of this line, I'm going 3 across and 4 down. So that's minus 4. Gradient is for 1 across, so I need to divide by 3. So that's minus 4/3. That, however, is the gradient of the radius. I want the gradient of this line. So to find the gradient of the perpendicular line, we use the negative reciprocal. And the negative reciprocal of minus 4/3, remember, you flip it, so it's going to be 3/4. And you turn it negative. Now, this one was already negative, so it's now going to be positive. So now I know my gradient for this line is 3/4. So I'm going to find the equation of this line here. Because once I find the equation of this line, I can then find a particular point on that line, and our aim is to find this point P. So to find the equation of a line, we have to do y equals mx plus c. I've just figured out my gradient, so I'm going to substitute that in. So my gradient is 3/4 x plus c. I know that a point on the line is 3 minus 4. 3 is my x, and minus 4 is my y. So I'm now going to substitute that in. So y was minus 4, and my x was 3. So minus 4 is 3/4 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, divided by 4, plus c. I've just moved it over here so that I can carry on my balance method. So I need to times by 4 on both sides. Minus 4 times 4 is minus 16, equals 9. Don't forget to times the c by 4 as well, so plus 4c. I need to take away the 9 from both sides, so that's going to give me minus 25, equals 4c. And then I need to divide by 4. So it's minus 25 over 4 is what my c is. So if I go back to my equation over here, I've now got the equation of this line is y equals 3/4 x minus 25 over 4. Now that I've got the equation, I can figure out the point P. I know that point P is actually on this line here, which is at the point 0, 5, x, y. So my y is 5 on that line. So I'm going to substitute y is 5 into my equation. So 5 is equal to 3/4 x minus 25 over 4. Again, use balance method to figure out what x is. I'm going to times everything by 4 to start with, and that's 20 is equal to 3x minus 25. I need to add that 25 to both sides, and I get 45 is equal to 3x, and I need to divide by 3, so x is equal to 15. So the coordinates of point P are x is 15, y is 5. And we're done.